And here I am again. So we finished the owl and I've got that video uploaded. So now I'm going to work on a cat. And I think it's going to be just like making a bear, only putting the arms and legs down and adding a tail and popping its head up, because I had done that to make a little dog, and I showed that in the bear pipe cleaner video. So that's the way I'm going to come at it, and that's what we're fixing to do. So let's get started. I think we're going to use 2 pipe cleaners for this one. So we're going to cut our first piece I'll say 4 inches, because we can always cut it off if we need to. We want it long enough so that we have a tail. And we'll cut our arms and legs at 4 inches. So you'll have 3 4-inch pieces. The body, front legs, back legs. And then let's do a 3-inch piece for the ears. All right. For the body, we're going to start off, make a little hook. So we've got like a little candy cane there. And then for the ears, take your piece, twist it a time or two. Don't twist it too much or you run out of room for the ears. Then take this piece that's sticking out and flatten it down against those. And flatten the whole thing down. You could go either way, here or here. Put the hook through here. Flatten it down. Bend this in half. And these are your little kitty cat's ears. This is really the same as doing a bear. But the little bear, it'll be the arms and legs. On this one, we'll flip the head up. You'll see in a minute. Okay, we're going to do the same with the arms and legs. Twist it a time or two. Flatten that down. Flatten the whole piece. And I'm going to put that lumped up part underneath. So you want it on the faced up part, which will end up being the stomach, and that will be the back. So there's one set of legs. Ditto on here. Slide that on. Now we're going to start to wrapping. So we're going to start, you can start wherever you want. I'm going to start right here and pull it tight between the ears to separate the ears. Then go across the arm, cross the leg in the back, cross back over, back in the back, cross it over, around the front, cross it over. When you end a piece, try to find a place to tuck it in, because you don't want the metal piece showing through like that's doing right there. So I just tuck it under anywhere, whatever's close. Okay, now this is still too skinny, so we're going to get another pipe cleaner. It's a a flat mouse. Okay. Around the back. Behind, across, behind, across, across, behind, across, and tuck it. Now we've got to fatten up this little head and his face. So, tuck your little piece under there and go around and back and around and back, around and back. You're just crisscrossing. Then when you get it, you think it's thick enough, like I think that's thick enough. Then I'm going to come down the center and cut it off. And tuck this piece. Now you just work his little ears around. Shape him a little bit. And then we're going to put his legs down, flip the head up, anywhere that's bulging like that, you can squeeze it with your needle nose. These are my beading pliers. They work pretty good. So right now we have the start of our cat, albeit a little skinny. And then you're just going to take your sharp tweezers or whatever you have that's handy. You could use a safety pin, a stick pin. So you're just going to go along here, fluff, stab, poke. Same way on the head, you want to blend so you don't see the lines. Anyway, you're going to go along, shape the little face, pull the ears, shape them around. His body, you got to work on it. I'm not going to take the whole video to do that. I showed that in the bear video. You just keep stabbing it, wiggling it around until it, for some reason I think it's these black pipe cleaners, because all of that metal shouldn't be showing through. It's never been that difficult. But anyhow, so you're going to do that. Fluff your little baby up. Then for mine, since I've got a black cat, I'm going to put a pink nose because I don't think there's another color that'll show up good. And you want to push it kind of down in there. These are the smallest beads I have, and they're still big for this little tiny face. So you push it down in the fur and it kind of disappears into the fur. Let me get some of this glue off. Alright, now I've got some little yellow eyes I wanted to put some green eyes, but I don't have any translucent green. And the regular green is too much for this little guy. I'll let it sit for a second before I push it in. Ah! Okay, my phone died while I was working on this little kitty cat. But anyway, this is what we ended up getting. And I would say don't use the black pipe cleaner. As you can see, I didn't finish like poking him all around, but the pipe cleaner, the silver part shows through on the black one. It doesn't work out so well. So I would not do a black cat. I would do another color, but this is how he looks. You could pose him around, turn his head, whatever, put his tail a different way. However you want to do it. And that's it for today. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.